Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Ultimate Bucket List, and today I'm here at Skydive Dubai, waiting to jump out of a plane. Dubai is one of the most prettiest places on earth, and it's amazing from the sky. So I've arrived here at Skydive Dubai. You basically walk in and sign up in reception. It helps to book online in advance, of course. Now, you'll be spending quite a bit of time waiting, and unfortunately the waiting around can get a little tiresome. But once your name is called, they basically sit you in the designated area and assign you an instructor. This instructor will tell you exactly what to do in the air, so they'll actually guide you as to what positions you'll need to be in once you get tossed out of the plane.
How are you doing today?
Yeah, pretty good. Excited to get on a plane and jump out of it.
This is your first ever skydive?
I've done the indoor skydiving before, but this is the real deal.
This is a bit different.
Yeah.
Okay, how are you feeling? You nervous?
Not at all, no. Excited to just jump out of a plane, really. So just try and make me look good, Jim.
Don't worry.
Try not to make me look like I'm crapping myself out there.
Well, that's kind of up to you, but I'm going to do my best. Okay, tell me, why are you skydiving?
It's on my bucket list of things to do. Yeah. And hopefully this footage will go on my YouTube channel as well, so yeah, that'd be awesome.
Today's the day, it's happening.
Today's the day, it's definitely happening.
You've met your instructor, you're wearing your skydiving harness.
Yep.
You've had a briefing about the jump.
Yep.
Do you have any questions?
No.
That's a good
going.
You ready to go skydiving?
Hell yeah.
Look at that, let's go have some fun.
Nice.
Thank you.
Once it's time, you get put on a cart and taken to your plane. And that's where the fear really sets in.
We're just listening, we're existing.
And they fly with the doors open so that you can see how high you're going. You get some very pretty views of Dubai when you come here, but ultimately, when it's time to jump, it's time to jump.
What a rush, man, seriously.
Yeah, you can pop your goggles off now, make yourself more comfortable.
Oh, whoa. Holy cow, Jim, that was... I never expected that. And one thing they don't tell you is that they let you drive the parachute as well, which is pretty awesome. So, yeah, real chuckle with that. That was pretty awesome.
Fantastic. Would you do it again?
Absolutely. Appreciate that, Jim.
Congratulations.
Okay, Nin, I'm sold. What do I need to do? Well, you need to come here, Skydive Dubai. It's right on the end of Dubai Marina. So it's quite a hefty walk away, especially if you're either in the middle of the marina or whatever. And to be honest, there's not many metro stations around here. You might have to get the Dubai tram or a bus to get here. Otherwise, it's just a taxi. Cost, not too bad. For skydiving, it's about 2,200 dirhams when I did it, which is this amount of money. And yeah, obviously it's not a cheap hobby, but if you're only going to do it once in your life, do it here and spend the money. Is it really scary? I think with the fact that these guys really know what they're doing and the safety precautions are so much, then you're not in any real danger of anything really, so that's fine. They will try and sell you optional insurance and an Instagram video, but to be honest, you actually do get a video and photos as part of your experience. So yeah, I didn't actually bother paying for any of those. Is there anything else I need to know? Yes. They don't let you jump if you've been consuming alcohol, and the harnesses that they put on you, they're a little uncomfortable. But otherwise, it's a fantastic experience. So guys, if you have enjoyed this episode, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. Comment on the comment section below, and if I do get enough suggestions for other bucket list ideas, tweet them at me and I'll be sure to do that. So guys, thank you very much for watching. From here in Skydive Dubai, thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next episode.